In person, you get to feel Dan's authenticity.
I don't have other mentors that have gone as far beyond my expectations as Dan has so far.
How do you keep 5,000 people around the world engaged for 6 hours at a time? That is no small feat.
Mr. Dan Locke!
You get some of the most powerful positioning methods and breakthrough business strategies. A first-time customer at best is a good prospect. Write it down.
The principles that I'm going to show you today that are literally going to be game changers for your business if you apply them.
It's so special to have such a good teacher, so structured, so common sense, and have the business acumen at the same time, and the heart. Oh my God.
The value is also where when you can describe the positive or the problems that the first couple seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds, they're now looking forward. Hey, maybe in your speech, your talk, you have a solution for me. Right? I don't know how long that is. It's a 90-minute talk, it's a 60-minute talk, but you have a solution. And one thing I learned in marketing, and maybe more so in marketing, one of the most powerful things that you can do is not just describing your product and service, all that, is if you can describe their problems better than they could describe themselves, they automatically assume that you have a solution. So write down. If you can describe their problems better than a prospect could describe themselves, they assume that you have a problem. Okay, you have a solution, right? You can describe the problems better than they could do. They assume that you have a solution. So imagine this, okay? Imagine that I have a needle sharpening in my elbow right here for on and off for, let's say, 3-4 weeks, hypothetically. Okay, it's just like shopping. Sometimes when I lift something, it just feels a little bit weird. It doesn't feel so good. I don't know what's going on, right? I have this problem. And suddenly, let's say I meet Bronson say, hey, Sifu, I had the same thing before. It was this kind of shopping, and it's like, is it periodically? I said, yeah. And it's like a needle, kind of thing. Yeah, I said, yeah. And he said, the right side here. Oh, I said, yeah. You know what? I used to use computer like that, and it happens. I went to see this acupuncture, and he did a couple times treatment, and he healed me. I'm like, holy fuck, give me the number. You see what I'm talking about? Because he said he's describing my problem so precisely. Yes, you must have the solution, because you know what I'm going through. So the minute he gave me the contact of the acupuncture, I'm assuming that guy could solve my problem, right? It's very, very powerful. Most business people don't spend enough time thinking about the prospect's problems. They spend all their time thinking about their own products, their own solutions, and their own services, whatever. You spend the majority of the time thinking about their problems. Take the time to do that. Selling is easy. Selling is so easy. When you can describe it precisely and you inject emotions into it, selling is not difficult. Assuming you have the solution, you can describe the problem, you inject emotions, it's closed. It's so simple.